Welcome, everyone. Uh, my name is Abdullah Mukadam. I'm the president of the Center for Technical Education, and this is our orientation. Now, let's just start this orientation on a very informal note, and let's think about what we are dealing with here. So, tech, innovation, and teaching through and beyond the existing curriculum. What we believe in is not just paying attention to the academics which are taught uh, on our campus, but moving beyond that, skilling up and skilling up in a sense in which is required in the outside world, in the corporate world, and it helps us nurture ourselves uh, apart from the normal academics that we study. So that is what is meant by through and beyond the existing curriculum. Let's move on. So let me give you a little bit of background on CT itself. So the Center for Technical Education was established in 2012 as an independent organization. It has now grown to become the largest technical organization of the BITS Pilani KK Birla Goa campus. Now, if you read our vision, it's a bit of a tongue twister. So it is to be an umbrella organization for educational expertise and assistance to cater to every individual and group having a thirst for learning and innovation, and to uplift the campus as a unified and fundamentally powerful center for technical synergy. Okay. Now, as you can see, I've written this is not a creative writing workshop. So our mission lies in our very name, the Center for Technical Education. We want to group all the technical clubs and organizations into one under one hood so that we can provide any assistance necessary for any skill which is needed to any student on our campus. So what do we do exactly? So our main focus has always been our main focus has always been courses. So to understand that, courses have always been our main focus. The courses have been technical. There was a time where we had taken a few courses which had some non-technical aspects to it, but this year we have stuck to only technical courses and workshops. Now that also ranges to academic assistance. So not only do we help students in skilling up, we also help them in their existing academics on the campus. Apart from holding these sessions, which are regular in nature, CT also hosts Tech Weekend. Now, the Tech Weekend is basically an event. Among other events, the Tech Weekend is an event. Uh, the Tech Weekend is an event which has a lot of hackathons and tech talks. Excuse me, is there a problem? There was a time where we had taken a few courses which
Can
had
you
some
mute
non-technical
your
aspects to it, but
website?
this year
I
we
think
have stuck
there's a
to
reverb
only technical
because
courses
of that.
and workshops. Okay. Now that also ranges to
Can you just
academic
check?
assistance. So not only do we help students in skilling up, we also help them in their existing academics on the campus. I don't have the stream on, so I haven't joined both. Now, the Tech Weekend is basically an event. Among other events, the Tech Weekend is an event. Is my voice echoing? The Tech Weekend is my voice echoing? No, right?
Yes, it's fine now. It's fine. Yeah.
It's fine now. Uh, on the stream, is it echoing on the stream? Let's just get it checked before we move on. Yeah.
It's fine. Yeah, we can
Okay.
move it.
Okay. So let's move on then. Uh, so let's continue. Let's talk about our collaborations. So we also believe we mainly believe in having collaborations with all the clubs and departments while organizing events and tech talks and all the other small events that we do. Even the tech weekend is a major collaboration with all the clubs and departments on campus. Okay. Along with all this, we also finance and provide required technical assistance on project ideas each semester. Now, for that, we have a separate project vertical, which is called TIP, the Technology Incubator Program, which has been made for this exact purpose for financing, either giving assistance to projects monetarily or in any other which way possible. Let me briefly explain courses to all of you. We are having 13 courses and 2 workshops in this session. Every course will be around 9 weeks long. It will start from 18th January. We will have demo classes from a period of 18th to 24th, and after that, the deregistration will not be allowed. So this will be explained to you in detail by Anshuman in the later part of this session. So I'm not going to talk much about it. Classes will be held online on Google Meet. The classes will be recorded for future reference purposes. So you don't have to worry about that. Registration will happen through the CT website. Again, the registration will be shown to you. A video will be shown to you as to how you have to register for any particular course or workshop of CT. Now, the basic thing about these courses is that our courses are introductory for the first part of the semester, for the first semester. So for your current session, the courses are introductory. After that, the next semester builds on this existing courses and we'll move on to advanced concepts. So the next semester courses will actually be somewhat related to at least one of the courses that we are having in this semester. The fees for the course. So we have a nominal fees of rupees 500, which are charged per course. Now you might be thinking, why are we even charging a nominal fee for the course? So there is a very good reason for it actually. What we have noticed is by keeping courses free, there is a sense of disinterest which develops in the students. So just to introduce that uh, dedication in the student, that by paying for a course I will actually pay attention to it, we have introduced a nominal fee. And all the money which we earn through these courses is again replenished, put back in other CT initiatives and in the instructor payments. The students will be awarded with a certificate upon successful completion of the respective courses. Now there are cases in which we exempt the entire fee. That is for the top 3 students of the course. Okay. Uh, yeah, and almost all clubs organize the lecture series under CT courses. So that is how we collaborate with our technical clubs. Now, I would like to call Pranav Pateria, the Vice President of CT. He will explain the initiatives in detail to you guys. Thank you. Handing over to Pranav.
Yeah. So is my screen visible? And am I audible? Hello?
Yes.
Just a second. Yeah.
Okay. So hello everyone. I'm Pranav, the Vice President of CT, and I'm so excited to present to you what we do. And yeah, so I'll start with CT Tech Weekend. So it basically is a series of competitions and other events which we host uh, over a weekend or over a week, and it is held in collaboration with a lot of technical clubs and departments, and as well as independent organizers. So this the speciality about this is it is open to all the Bitsians, and you get to compete with Bitsians from all 3 campuses. Pool currently is 25,000, and we are trying to increase it every semester. This is a great way for you to learn a new skill in a short amount of time and then implement it, as well as compete with your fellow mates and other Bitsians. This time we have decided to hold it in March. This is a tentative date and we'll announce the exact dates later. And do check out our previous year's website for a glimpse of the events which we conduct and the type of events which we conduct. We try to get as many events as possible so that the horizon for the events is very wide. Academic assistance program. Uh, this already has started for this semester, and I am sure you might be aware of this. And the aim is to create a very informal environment between the mentors, who are seniors, second, third, fourth yearites, and the juniors, out in the doubts which they are facing in their academic courses. This is free and open to all. This semester, the sessions are happening over Google Meet, and in future, when the semester reopens and we get to see you all on campus, these sessions are held very informally in maybe some corridor or places around the campus. So right now we have mostly the first year courses, and we are planning to extend it to second year courses as well. Moving on to project funding, CT, TIP. TIP is Technology Incubator Program. We fund projects and we try to provide as much support to them as possible, logistics and other support as well. Last semester we funded worth 1,30,000. Last year we funded worth 1,30,000 uh, rupees of projects. The selection for projects is very rigorous with feedback from faculties as well as technical clubs and departments heads and uh, people with the required expertise. This semester, which means this, yeah, the current semester has 3 TIP projects ongoing, which are in domains of Android application development, machine learning and Arduino, and web development. The mentors propose the like TIP works in this fashion. Mentors propose a project, they get selected, and then students apply to work on those projects, and the selected students get to work on those projects, and upon the successful completion of projects, students as well as the mentors get a certificate of completion which is signed by our faculty head, Professor Bharat Deshpande. Coming on to tech forums, we envisioned a place where us Bitsians, people from Bits Goa, could come on to discuss about ideas, discuss about technical projects and stuff, and collaborate. Our aim is to create something like Stack Overflow plus Quora plus Reddit campus where uh, you can find answers to queries which have been asked by your seniors, your batchmates, and the people answering them would also be our own college students. Feel free to post and discuss anything uh, related to tech, non-core projects, software, or anything techie on our tech forums, and come be a part of an amazing and inquisitive community on campus. All the links in this presentation would be put up on our Discord server, so you don't need to worry about that. CT works mainly on collaborations. Apart from collaborations on courses, we collaborate to organize events and talks, and we also provide various logistics, monetary, and technical support to the various clubs and departments if they need. We are planning to create an efficient channels for further improvement on this, and yeah, feel free to approach us for any help or any of your instructors which you would be introduced to in later part of this presentation. And yeah, so these are just some of the organizations and clubs and departments which we have collaborated with. Here are some interesting facts about us. We have been doing courses for over 3 years. We started in 2012, but CT, which it is right now, in the past 3 years only, we have given over 250,000 worth of funding, and We have collaborations with almost all the clubs and departments on campus. And yes, we also like to party and enjoy. So, which brings me to the next point. We are inducting. Do look out for our form and more information on our socials. Yeah, follow us on Instagram. We also have our Facebook page, and do join our Discord server. And invite you to tech forums to ask your questions and get them clarified. So I'll be handing over now to Anshuman Singh, who is our course head, to demonstrate the registration process and eventually the courses.